to my channel. It should go okay, sthe, and I'm back with another I'm back with another motherfucking lit video. That's on.
Huh?
Period. That's on.
Period.
So guys, as you can see, I have a special guest. My twin, my other half, my everything. So Sbusiso is here today and we're playing a game in Never Have I Ever with a bit of a twist, not really a twist, but like the punishment is a concoction of sriracha sauce, like what is it, Worcestershire sauce, you know, Worcester sauce, guys, milk and paprika. So I just mixed it in this glass over here, and so let's get straight into the video.
So okay, so first question: never have I ever ghosted someone.
I've never. What? Ghosted. I can't say ghosted.
Actually, like you just stop talking to them. Is that not ghosting?
Yeah, but like, if like that person like was continuously doing things that you don't like, then you just cut them off and then you never speak to them again.
Next question, son.
Guys, I'm not a ghoster.
Never have I ever given a fake name.
To who?
To anyone.
I have all the time.
I have. It doesn't come out with George.
George?
Yeah, it doesn't get English with George.
I mean, whenever anyone approaches me, like, sometimes I just lie. Sometimes I'm Lerato, sometimes I'm Bali.
Everyone is Lerato or Bali.
Yeah, it's the most basic thing you can do. So I guess I have.
Okay. The next one. Never have I ever slept with someone whose name I don't know.
Never.
Because I've never slept with anyone, so never. I guess. Okay. So next question. Never have I ever snuck out to go somewhere.
You have?
Okay, mina angazi.
Namanga.
Okay.
Not like.
Yeah.
Okay, namangazi. You gotta sneak out.
I'm writing and tell him.
Guys, I don't sneak out. You know, my parents know, like I have no reason to sneak out. Maybe in high school, when I was still in high school back in the day, but as of like the past 3-4 years, I've never snuck out. Like, I have no reason to. Never have. Never have.
Prank, guys, prank. It's just a prank. It's just a prank.
Smona man.
We're a prank.
You know.
Huh? We cannot.
Why? We take it.
Okay, sorry guys, it's just a prank. It's just a prank.
Supposed to keep it as in Sbusiso. What's that?
Okay, so guys, that is it for the video. So it's prank wars, baby. It's prank wars.
After
Guys, Papa, nice boo, Bryce, and then the center.
Injani prank. Brutal.
so uzusithelena la.
Oh my god, guys.